Hi, my name is Asia, and I always wanted to travel and see the world, but it was always too expensive until I found Trevorium. Now, we always travel and stay at incredible hotels and resorts for pennies on the dollar. Best decision we ever made.
Hi, my name is Danny Seguinol. I am product of the product for the past 3 years. Thanks to Trevorium, I've been traveling all over the world. Just like this hotel right now, I'm on the rooftop here in Playa del Carmen, thanks to our travel site where I got to save up to 70% off. But not only that, we have getaways where I was able to go to Cabo Azul for $124 for the week, which normally goes for thousands of dollars. But my favorite part about Trevorium is our world tours. Paris, Hawaii, Cancun, so many beautiful places, Dubai, where people get to go and save but have the best time of their life thanks to travel. Travel is a lot of things. For me, it's all about sharing experiences, having memories, creating moments that I'll never forget, and being able to save money thanks to Trevorium. I recommend this platform, and if you are not a member yet, please sign up today. Bus mode.
Guys, it was the first time I used the product. I got on and I thought, normally I book from Orbitz or I book from whatever those other guys are, right? And so I got on and I was looking and I thought, oh, hold on, I'm going to book for myself. And I'd already looked at those other guys, and then I looked at us, and I want to say I saved $70 a night, and I stayed right across from the Intercontinental, which was the Hilton, right? So I'm looking at the Intercontinental, making plans, but I was staying at the Hilton, saved $70 a night. So I'm sitting there thinking, the first time I even try to use the product, and guys, we don't even talk about engaging with our portal very much. You know, we're talking about our trips that we go on, but just good old-fashioned encouraging your friends and family to book from themselves as opposed to those other guys, it's fun to do. So right out of the gate, I saved money that covered my first couple of months.
Okay, guys, we are here on a Trevorium getaway. We are in Cabo San Lucas at a place called Garza Blanca. Now, they just built this place in the last 2 years, brand new 5-star property. By the way, say hi, Miss Gina.
Hi.
And we are here at this incredible resort for absolutely nothing. Why? Because we got involved with the membership. And the membership allows you to book travel for up to 70% off the regular way. By the way, they got an infinity pool up there. We'll be shooting some video from there later on. But the membership allows you to save huge on travel. Well, you also get to earn points every single month. Well, if you tell 3 other people how to save big time money on travel, you get to earn your points for free. Well, my wife has an account. She told 3 people. I have an account. I told 3 people. So between the 2 of us, we're earning 500 points per month. Well, this particular location only costs 1,300 points to come down here for 7 nights, 8 days for absolutely nothing. Membership has its privileges.
Hi, my name is Phyllis Terry, and I am from Durham, North Carolina. Traveling is my passion, and it has increased since I have become a part of Trevorium Travel Club. I'm telling you, it has saved me so much money. I've been able to travel more and travel for less. Recently, I just spent some time in Dubai, 7 days, 6 nights, for only $89 for 2 people, with my breakfast included. And I've traveled to so many other places for less, spending pennies on a dollar.
You know, my wife and I got involved with this company because we were looking for a way to save on hotels because our daughter played college softball, so we're traveling all over the country. When we joined the membership, next thing you know, we're saving 40, 50, sometimes 70% on hotels. We were saving an absolute fortune. Last year, we took all of our adult children to Punta Cana, Barcelona. We went to Hawks Cay, San Diego, Cancun.
Hi, my name is Kyle Thoreau, and I am a member in this travel club, and I've been in it, I guess, about 5 years now. It's 10 years old, and I've gone from coast to coast, and I've gone to Cancun and Ensenada, Mexico, and even Catalina Island. I've had the best trips of my life. I've saved so much money. I've stayed at places for free. I stayed at a 4-star, 5-star resort for $1 a day for 14 days. It was a full condo with a balcony, a full bedroom, a jacuzzi tub, a shower spa, all the amenities of a condo, washer, dryer, everything. And it was $1 a day. I've stayed at places for 50% off, and every place I go, I'm paying way below the price you get at the front desk. I cannot imagine not being in this travel club now because I'm treated like a superstar when I take trips someplace and I'm paying pennies to go there. So I hope you give this travel club a try and just try it for yourself. I know you'll love it. You'll love it more than I do.
Hi there, my name's Paula Fern. I'm from Manchester in the UK. I'm a single mum of 4 and I help people with their emotional wellness. I came across a video, really quick video that I watched about travel. And for me, with 4 kids, travel is something that I was completely outpriced with. This video has changed my life. I can travel the world for pennies now, and it's changed everything for us. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Hey family, Pastor Mel here right out of San Antonio, but heading out as we speak, and travel is it, y'all. But if you're traveling and you're not using Travorium, let me just tell you right up front, you are wasting good money. That's exactly what we discovered when we became a part of the #1 travel club worldwide. There are more than 2,000 dreamcations around the world that you're able to go to. There are more than 100 world tours every single year that I promise you, they will literally change your life. Kendra and I have so absolutely enjoyed the travel club prices and experiences that we've had around the world and back. We thank God for Travorium.
Hello, my name is Dean, and I've worked in the travel industry for over 25 years, more specifically, the airline industry. Working in the airline industry has afforded me the opportunity to fly places all over the world. And when traveling to these places, I've had the opportunity to stay at places for greatly reduced prices. Resorts, hotels, where I really recently made a decision that I was going to retire from the airline industry. And I had to think about all the perks that I would be giving up. I would no longer be able to get those great discounts that I get when I travel. Well, then came Travorium. I couldn't believe that Travorium offered for the average person the same discounts that I was getting when I was traveling. I couldn't believe that Travorium could beat the deals that I have been getting for over 25 years. But they could. They not only matched them, they beat them. Sitting here today, I am so glad that I made the decision to join Travorium. And I don't feel like I missed a thing by retiring.
Hi, I'm Tyrone Michael Haynes, and I'm Travorium proud. In 2020, I got married during the pandemic, but wasn't able to travel. Thanks to my membership with Travorium, in 2021, I was able to go to Montego Bay, Jamaica for my honeymoon. $4.99, 2 people, 5 days, 4 nights, all inclusive. Travorium is the way to go. Travel more. Travel for less. Travorium is the best.
My name is Deborah Taylor. Can we just talk a minute? I'm a mother. I am a grandmother. I am a great-grandmother. We've taken over 40 vacations. As a customer of Travorium Travel for the last few years, we have been able to go to places such as the Dominican Republic, Spain, Hawaii, many U.S. cities. You will not regret the decision that you will make to join Travorium Travel. We have not regretted it, and we are definitely excited. We will see you either on the beaches of the world, a city, or a country near you, and we are looking forward to it. God bless.
Hi everyone, Jim Hammonds here in Dallas, Texas, and within 48 hours, I saved $48 on 2 Dallas Stars tickets, hockey tickets. We had never been. We had an unbelievable time. A couple days later, we went to the Keanu Reeves new movie and saved $15 on a black ticket for that, where you get all your, refreshments and popcorn and movie together. And then the day after that, I purchased 5 travel magazines so I could work on my dream board, which is right back there. And I saved $60, like 60% on those. So anyway, right now I'm looking at doing some staycations here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, some 4- and 5-star hotels, saving anywhere from 25 to 40%, and also keeping the eye on the prize for that Hawaii deal in next fall. Thanks, Travorium.
I feel like a kid in a candy store. When I was talking to Todd today, I was like, it was kind of crazy. But I want to say this. I actually looked at a couple of other travel platforms over the course of the last couple of years because I was sort of gearing towards coming to do this. And just nothing really sparked my interest. But when I looked at Travorium, and this is the God's honest truth, hands down, from all the other ones that I looked at out there, there is nothing out there like this. There is nothing that rewards the members like Travorium does.
And the travel membership gets better every year. More amazing destinations at prices you won't find anywhere. We didn't create travel, but we've perfected it. Travorium is a rocket ship taking off. Our mission is to enhance the lives we touch by helping members reach their travel and financial goals. It's this ability that makes Travorium a different kind of company. Thank you for joining us today. Get back with the person that shared this video with you.